This remarkable tribute to the legendary 1970 Chevrolet Nova Yenko Deuce is a classic muscle car that embodies raw power and timeless style. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova coupe was the subject of a custom build in the style of a Yenko Deuce. The frame-off restoration was completed in 2014 with only 240 miles and included repainting the body in cranberry red with white stripes, retrimming the interior in black, and installing a 350 cubic inch V8 in the style of a legendary LT1 V8. The car is also equipped with a Muncie M20 4-speed manual transmission and a 12-bolt rear axle with a 373 gear ratio and a Positraction limited slip differential. The 350 cubic inch V8 is rated at 360 horsepower. It is dressed and equipped like a 1971 LT1 V8 would be. It features an aluminum intake manifold with the winter's markings, a Holley carburetor, a factory-style set of valve covers, and a dual-snorkel air cleaner. A factory-style dual exhaust system delivers a classic muscle car tone that truly completes the driving experience. Details include chrome bumpers, dual bullet-style mirrors, hood pins, and a Yenko-branded hood-mounted tachometer. The correct 14-inch Magnum 500 style wheels wear Yenko-branded center caps and are wrapped in Firestone wide-oval tires with raised white letters. Lakewood traction bars are installed at the rear, and power-assisted front discs and drums handle the braking. The cabin houses bench seating upholstered in black vinyl, along with a color-coordinated dashboard, door panels, carpeting, and a Hurst 4-speed shifter with a black cue ball-style knob. The 3-spoke steering wheel fronts a 120-mile-per-hour horizontal sweep speedometer and a fuel level gauge. A pair of aftermarket gauges are mounted below the dash. An 8-track tape player is mounted below the dashboard, and Yenko Deuce logos are affixed to the door panels. Additional features include a trunk-mounted full-size spare with jack and factory-style trunk finish. The underbody is clean with all new hardware, lines, and paintwork. Included with the sale of the vehicle is a binder of photos showing GM-branded components that were sourced for the refurbishment. This beautiful vehicle has been meticulously restored and customized to honor the iconic original Don Yenko creations while adding a few modern touches for improved performance. Don't miss your chance to own this exceptional piece of automotive history. It's not just a car, it's a statement and a celebration of American muscle. Contact LRA Auto Sales at 215-781-3790, 215-781-3790, or email sales@lrasales.com. That's sales@lrasales.com for more information on this beautiful tribute to the Yenko Deuce.